Oh, that's a big pumpkin, honey.
Where? Right here? Right here.
You got a pumpkin?
Is that your pumpkin?
Is that the one?
Is that good?
Oh, goodness. It's kind of big.
You're following? You're not helping out much.
Okay.
Oh, goodness. Now what? That one's really big, honey. That one in your lap is kind of a good size. Hey, Marley. Marley. You need help up with your pumpkin? You see pumpkins?
I see pumpkins.